Okay, I saw you down Center City the other day. What you be doing down there? That was the funniest comment I ever heard. You be watching TV down there, huh? That's what you said. Now, what you be doing down Center City? Watch how TV work. And she just saying anything now. Watch how TV work. What's up, Pop? $2? What I look like, man? This is $1. No, not. I'm gonna go get me $1 one. Thanks. I don't like that, y'all. I do not like that. Y'all saw that? I'm not gonna get a $2 water from right here when I could go across the street and get it for $1. What I look like? I don't know who he thought I was. He thought he saw me coming. $2. Now watch this.
What time you got?
5:45. Yup. Yeah. Let me get a water. $1 water. Same water. Just a different brand. That's it. Who do you think he talking to, man? He ain't gonna just... Yeah.
Have a water, come on.
No, I ain't trying to hear none of that, kid. He can have that. I know I got $1 water out of there one day, though. That's part of what I'm saying, too. Come on, man. I know I did. I've been in that store before. I'm not gonna go in there and pay $2. Maybe because it's night, I don't know. But you gotta remember, like, this is not my first time, really. Really, this is my neighborhood. You feel me? So, I don't know what he trying to pull off. I don't go in there every day, but it ain't like that's my first time ever going in there.
They call me Brooklyn, bro. Nice to meet you, bro. Thank you.
Whoa, why I just rode past a Brooklyn? What's your name, bro?
Brooklyn.
Okay, what's up, bro?
What's good? What's good?
I'm good. Yeah. What's up with him? And we outside the hospital, y'all. The hospital right here. Call an ambulance. All they need to do is push a stretcher out here. Yeah, how long you come?
Hospital right there. You look at security. That's what, you know? You think you're Jack.
Yeah.
I know.
There go these mosquitoes with their stuff again. They all over. Oh my God. I started to put on a jacket, man. I started to put on a jacket, y'all. God. Well, I can't even say sorry to y'all. I'm the one who's getting bit up. I said that because I really want to leave. I don't like standing still around these mosquitoes. Oh, I still got this stuff on me. It's not that much. I smell it. I hear that. What's up, little homie? What's up with you? Somebody in the pickup right here looking at me. Yo. They following me. Mosquitoes really attack you. They be diving in for you. You know that ain't the ambulance. That's the police, man. I even know that. How he don't know that? Then I was set the police. Yo, all these mosquitoes flying around me. That's crazy. They not gnats. Look, like 3 police cars went in the hospital parking lot. Well, entrance. Yeah, I'm out, y'all. They all near my face. Hey. Yeah, I'm out. Yeah, I can't take it no more, y'all. They really be like attacking me. No, he moving. I just saw him move his head side to side and scratch himself. He definitely alive, and I don't know. I guess he might have originally thought that. Yo, if you stand still for too long, y'all, I'm telling you, I noticed it one day. Wow. I can't even show y'all now. He got, look, I just want y'all to see he moving. That's it. And I'm gonna have to get off the screen real quick, cause y'all, if I wasn't live, he on the side now. He holding his nose for what? what I might end up doing, y'all, is depending on which way they show him, because he got his pants down. I might definitely cut the live off. Well, not the live, the camera. I'm doing that now. What's up with it?
$1 wop.
$1?
Yep.
Oh no, I'm cool. Thanks. I don't really eat things at all.
Have you seen that shit? You put that shit up, you record that shit?
I ain't see it. What?
It's butt naked, shit all on it, it's shit on this stuff and that. Record that shit and put it on your platform.
I'm live now. But I got this camera on and this
roll
off
up on it more. It's butt naked, it's shit all on it and everything. It's shit on this stuff and everything.
Yeah.
Butt naked. Yeah, roll up on it, put it on yourself.
Ew. Oh my God, yeah, this is not for y'all. This ain't for y'all. This ain't for TV at all. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's. He alive. He just turned over.
Oh, he just turned over?
Yeah, he was on his back. He turned over on his own. That's crazy, though, man. There ain't nothing but diarrhea, but wow.
They're gonna be bringing him right into me.
Yeah.
I'm working easy.
That's crazy.
Now you got there. I'll meet you in there.
Wow. Yeah.
Well, when you first came up, boy rolled over. He looked dead, didn't he?
Yeah, he looked dead.
That's why I came and got my buddy Art here. We gotta go check this.
So he coming to y'all?
Yeah, they're gonna bring him right into the ED.
Sir, can I ask you a question? How often do you deal with this stuff?
Every day.
Anybody try any other interview? Would you accept the interview?
Like to work here?
I mean, just as far as what you see. Dealing with that. I got this off because for YouTube, you can't see that. But that's what I do. I go live and record all this stuff every single day, man.
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
So this is why we sympathetic to.
I had to deal, I never knew, this new stuff, the drug, but as a kid, I had to deal with it. I saw it, you know what I'm saying? And I didn't know until I got older. You know, now they kids know everything. I didn't know what I was seeing. I put it together when I got older, like, hold up. I was seeing that the whole time as a kid. So I definitely know what you're talking about.
They did some kind of mellow today to give them the
Wow. You hear how? Yeah, you wouldn't even have one. I heard that without you saying that. That's what I'd have came up with. How you gonna talk to that man like that? Like he don't even know what's going on. Come on, man.
Yeah, they hope so. That's the thing. Hold this one.
don't want to touch it. And he moving too. And there's a lot of poop. And I usually keep them with me, man. I usually have the whole pack. Like, why?
All right, brother, you have a good one, all right?
Yes, sir. Thank you. What? Yeah, his man, when he went and got his man, they came out here with the Narcan. So he just gave me one just in case.
Oh my God, what's up, brother?
All right, how you?